Today, we're going to learn custom scores in FastTrack, a way to turn your own ranking process into one clean, sortable column. From the sheet, open Scores. This is where your saved scoring recipes live. Now click New Score. The yellow builder shows that we're creating a new custom score. On the left, choose Performance. In this example, we're building a 4-return blend, so we'll add 1-month total return, 3-month total return, 1-year total return, and 3-year total return. As each metric is added, FastTrack puts it on the right with a weight. For these return metrics, higher values are better. That means the score is looking for strength across the return windows you choose. The weights start evenly, but this is where the feature becomes powerful. You can change the mix to match your process. Here, 1-month return moves from 25% to 20%, and 3-month return moves from 25% to 30%. The only rule is that the weights must add up to 100%. Now name the score 4-return blend. Save it, check the box, and apply the view. The score is now a real column in the sheet. The lightning bolt tells you it's a composite score, not a raw data column. Sort the column descending, and the highest scores move to the top. That means those securities ranked best across the full recipe, not just one return window. That's the problem custom scores solve for busy professionals. Instead of scanning several columns by hand every time you research a list, you define what best means once, turn it into a score, and reuse it. Start your free trial at fasttrack.net.